Hi there, my name's Lacey Crow. I'm the head coach here at Spanaway Lake High School for bowling, and I've been lucky enough to be a part of the bowling program here for the past 8 years, and I've been able to see firsthand how instrumental sports participation is for our athletes. Our athletic programs here in the Bethel School District provide students a safe, positive place to belong and build confidence, all while working together and having fun. Watching these athletes grow and support each other and celebrate their progress is honestly one of the best parts of my job. A lot of people don't realize that programs like ours are supported by Bethel's EP&O Levy, which makes up a significant part of our budget. That funding helps keep sports like bowling going strong, along with so many other activities that make school a great experience. We're really thankful for the community support to continue allowing our students and athletes to do what they love, represent their school, build memories that will stick with them for a lifetime.